Well, I seen you over there talking to the preacher behind her back, saying she ain't never gonna make it to heaven in a trailer with a mama on crack. But you have earned your place right beside the Lord. You've been cutting them checks straight to Jesus since you settled in your last divorce. Jesus says I'm saved, but he don't know about you. Change your ways right here today, be a light bright as noon. Well, he knows your heart, he knows who you are, he knows all them stars too. Jesus says I'm saved, and he'd like to know about you.